sent to the certain areas and eventually killing them in gas chambers in Poland. Special areas were established for total elimination of Jews people. Okay, and first they were sent to the concentration camps where they were physically and mentally tortured, and then after finally they were sent to the gas chambers where uh, they were killed. Okay, so this was the policy adopted by Nazis or the Hitlers for the total elimination of Jews people. Now, it is 3.2, the racial utopia. Utopia means imaginary idea. Okay, imagination. So in this we will learn about the policies which was adopted by Nazis or Hitlers against uh, Poles, the people those who were the resident of Poland. Okay, so what policy, how he eliminated all the Poles, or what policy did he adopt against Poles? So let's see over here. Uh, when Once he occupied Poland, after occupation of Poland, Poland was divided up. Much of the northwestern Poland was annexed to Germany. Northwestern Poland was annexed, means was included in German Empire. Now Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties behind to be occupied by ethnic Germans brought in from occupied Europe. Uh, Most of the Poles, those who were living in northwestern parts, they were forced to leave their homes and their properties, uh, against whom, against whom, for the means for Germans, ethnic Germans who were brought in Europe, brought in Germany from other occupied parts of Europe. Okay, all the Germans were brought from different parts of the Europe to Germany to live in. Poles were then herded like a cattle in the other part called the general government. They were herded, means they were chased to leave those areas and to move to the other parts. Okay, these other parts were known as the general government. Mm, Next, members of the Polish intelligentsia were murdered. Polish intelligentsia means all the intellectual community of the Poles were murdered in a large number. Why they were murdered in large number? In order to keep the entire people intellectually and spiritually servile. Okay, means so that Polish people intellectually and spiritually they could be weakened. Okay, उनको कमज़ोर करना, to make them weaken intellectually and spiritually. So that is why all the intelligentsia, means intellectual people of Polish, were murdered in large number. Then after, Polish children who looked like Aryans were forcibly snatched from their mothers and examined by the race experts. Okay, or the children, Polish children, those who were looking like, physically those who were looking like an Aryan, they were snatched. Those babies, newborn babies, were snatched from their mothers, and after that they were sent for the examination of race. Okay, by whom? By the race experts. So if they pass the race test, they were raised in German families. Okay, if they pass that race test, so they were raised in German families. They were nurtured in uh, the way like other German children were nurtured or uh, brought up. Okay, and if not, they were deposited in orphanages. If they failed to pass that race test, so they were sent to the orphanages where most of the Polish children were perished, means were uh, uh, means they were living, they were dead. Okay, they could not survive in those orphanages and finally they were dead. With some of the largest ghettos and gas chambers, the general government also served as the killing fields for the Jews. Number of ghettos and gas chambers were made where the general government was helping Nazis in the killing of Jews, all Jews. Okay, these areas became the uh, murder areas or killing areas for the Jews. Beta, here you can see this is the figure 114. This is one of the freight cars used to deport Jews to the death chambers. Means this freight car means goods train, like a it is looking like a goods train, and in this all the Jews were forcefully they were thrown, and they were locked, and finally they were sent to the gas chambers. Okay, for their final elimination. ठीक है, वहाँ पे आपकी poisonous gases जो थी वो रिलीज की जाती थी इन